Happy Monday, happy Monday. I mean, yeah. Another week. But, one. I didn't do one last week though, because, market still moved the direction I said the previous week. So, didn't really feel a need to. So, disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research into the financial markets before putting any real capital in, because this is a very risky business and you can very well lose your ass for sure. Like, I want to play with her, man. But yeah, pause it, read that, don't sue niggas. But yeah. Yeah, let's get into this. Boom. We love it, right? Who loves it? I love it. I know that. But yeah, if you know, you know. A lot of fear in the markets. So where's everybody going? Feel me? Alright, so and you never want to follow the crowd. It'll be like a train station. You gotta be experienced in the train station and know, how to maneuver. You don't need to rush to the next stop. You don't need to, hop in this train. You feel me? But yeah. We could get straight into it, I guess. Before we start though, daily verse comes from Corinthians 2:20. I have been crucified with Christ. It is no longer I who live, but Christ who lives in me. And the life I now live in the flesh, I live by faith in the Son of God, who loved me and gave himself to me. Amen. One and only good thing on this earth that was on this earth is the Son of God, Jesus Christ. And yeah, how can you not love him? How can you not spread his love to others? I hope every one of you guys have a higher power and believe in something, bigger than yourselves. Because, yeah. But yeah, we shall get into it. See, daily. That's what I said like previous week, Friday, March. Yeah, like 20th. I think I recorded it on the 23rd. That's why I am. Thank you. So this shoot it up to them. I actually had it just going like liquidating these lows, not going all the way down there. But she surprised niggas. Look at this. We took lows all the way back. Yeah, from last year. Like, come on now. Like, what do you think we gonna do? And I had this 3-month fair value gap, to here. But we didn't reach there yet. Delete these. I'll delete all the charts. But, and you can see I didn't expect ES to do that. I expected some SMT. But, wow. Took all these lows. 2024. Damn, April. Then we went all the way back. 2023. December. Oh my goodness. We are going to reprice higher. Fast as hell. Like, y'all don't even know, bro. Not fast. Like, we just gonna, just wait for the reaccumulations and, hop in with price. Even gold, like, okay, man, now. What did I say last week? Yeah, I was just saying we're going higher for gold, and we did. Then went dumped heavy silver. Yeah, we can get into this dollar. You know what I'm saying? What we said last week. No, the previous week. The last video. Say higher to lower, and what happened? Higher to lower. I'm pretty sure I saw that. Like, yeah, dollar's gonna keep falling. At least until these lows, because we just started. First, I want to see all these get higher, but like it's like smooth, turn jagged. You need to jagged it out. You know. Like, it's not too much, is it? Not too much to ask for. See, right now we're within this 2-hour daily volume imbalance, and yeah, let's clear our charts today. Like not everything, because I'm not trying to clear the higher time frames. Let's start 3 month. 3 month. What are we doing? Got 2 more months. This month open. First month went down. Hey, it looks good. Like I don't know. The only thing that we could possibly reprice back to is this gap right here, but we look good to take off of this. That's probably like a month. Yeah, monthly fair rally gap. Look at this. This go, and it's also within this breaker, higher time frame breaker. But using the breaker, it looks like we got more room to come down here or liquidate these lows real fast. You feel me? Well, we keep that there. See how it keeps playing with price there. Like, if we get bodies within wicks on the monthly, then it might be a little iffy. But look at that wick rejection just on the monthly. This opening of April. This crazy ass wick rejection, and we got this. That was marked. I would like to see a little bit higher to go lower. But, hey. Whatever happens. We don't, So I like that devil's mark there, and I also like this high. But April just started, dump down. Half-Life is coming up soon, so I do expect one more pop down before the up start up. So yeah, these smooth lows look like the best, or just tap, one more here. So dollar, a little up to come down to go higher. But anything could happen. Like, who knows, man? There's no certainty in these markets. Gotta mute these. Hold up. Wait a minute. But yeah, that's dollar. That's what I would like to see. Yeah, trying to just put this down fast. Alright, so let's go to eeny, meeny, miny, mo, gold. Oh wait, no, let's do some bitty real fast before we get into the real nitty gritty. Alright, let's go, no, my goodness, see? I'm feeling to do gold right now. But yeah, this is BTC, Bitcoin / USD. Drop this here like on Saturday. Show you in a group real fast. see right here. Saturday. Yeah, we got some scammers out there. Scammers, bro. Like, come on, niggas don't have shit to do. It's Saturday, man. What day was Saturday? See, and when I'm wrong, I say I'm wrong. Like transparency, deadlines with me. Did I pass it? I think I passed it. I passed it, man. Oh yeah, but y'all see. Before the prediction, NQ. Crazy shit. Gold. Yeah, this is what we said for gold. Higher. Yep. And what happened? Higher. The video. Look at it. We said a little lower to higher to lower. So we had that little lower to higher to lower to higher to lower to higher. So it's just, you know. But it was all a guess. I got lucky. Niggas get lucky in these charts. It's not like there's time that's always consistent on these markets. Yeah. I think it's most like recently dropped. I can't find it, then frig it. It's not that deep. It's really not that deep. I'm just trying to see what I said about BTC, man. This shit. But yeah, these are crazy drops, bro. Yeah, here it is. Oh my god. Like, okay, what we say? Boom, liquidate all these lows. First, we wanted higher prices from here. What happened? Lower. Got those higher, but failure to actually go and take those highs. You see how this was supposed to be a momentum leg up, but nope, nothing. Didn't take the 20-day look back highs, and the closes highs are lows, so the 20 days look back is the lows. So that's why I was like, we failed how many times? One, two, three. You can count as failure to show momentum going into the market, no money. So I said we wanna turn, take the 20-day look back lows, and then aim at least for the 20-day look back highs, 20 to 40-day look back. But hey, who knows if this is gonna be the actual climb up that's gonna start? Because these markets are random. They do anything they wanna do. They are random. But you can see 3-month. My prediction for her. You know, we gonna reach 6 figures, like all the way back up here again, like 200,000. Yeah, like watch. When we get there, it's lit. It's up and it's stuck. But yeah, this is all I see. Bitcoin doing, possibly starting the momentum legs higher. You know, just like here, we need a momentum is leg to show us. Feel me? So we got this pop down, we got the up, that's the up, and then yeah, we just need momentum coming in. Money, where you at? But we got these lows taken beautifully. Like, come on, Yep. I touch a little GU. What did we say last time? Last time we said lower to higher. It said that lower to higher, but then it did this big ass drop. I think it was Friday. The day was this Thursday, Friday, yeah. But yeah, right now it's still Gucci to go higher. So this is a nice pop down that we, like to see into this weekly fair value gap. So we could potentially still seek these highs. Still seek them highs for real. We said lower to higher, and what had happened? We had a low to the higher, and it looks like it just wants to go higher. So I'm gonna do it easy. Boom. Okay. Yep. Higher for her. I mean, yeah, especially if we get above this volume balance, could potentially sweep these lows, but I don't see it. Like, look how close we are to these equal highs. Relatively equal. They don't gotta be identical. But yeah, UJ, what we say last time, higher. I expected at least here, but nope. Didn't want to reach all the way up there. Went higher. Did that little up that we like to see before the drop. So that was the up. But yeah, right now it's just gonna fuck around with this fair rally gap. Possibly seek some higher, cause dollar. What do we want her to do? Oh, lower to higher. So yeah, UJ. Possibly some more lower. We're at this leg, boom, to higher. But if we count these, 1, 2, 3, 4. Man, go down, go back. No, that should be 4, and then we back. But who knows? Nobody knows. But yeah. Now let's get down to the real bread. Bread. Good talk, gold. Yeah, let's do. Nah. I like NQ first. Because NQ, ES, and YM gonna bust them out all at the same time. They're all gonna do the same thing. Just one might be a slightly different. But yeah, as you can see, been taking trades. You feel me? Still want to see higher before lower here, but didn't. Nah, got caught some sells, but mostly on this one because it's very, like, the spread right now is crazy. Like, this little stop loss on the mini, it's like $900. Here it was like $200. I'm not trying to risk $900 on one contract. I'd rather do 2 contracts where I can risk like $400 on the same move. Then I can ride it out. I took it off here, but look at his bit. Because I thought the NVOG was going to be strong enough to he rejected. Because we just rejected here, rejected here. And hey, broke right through. And then you can see how I'm following price using 3, 6, and 9. Like here, I expect more higher. You don't know about 3, 6, and 9, join the group, and yeah, you will see. I have a video there that's unlisted to the public. But yeah, I speak a lot about 3, 6, and 9, but you can see these are mostly the pivots. So if you are looking for buys, those will be the pivots at the bottom in a trending market environment, you know. There'll be some coming down too, but like, it's like, why would you want to take these? You could. Everybody's different, you feel me? But not more. But yeah, we gonna go ahead and get into this. Delete this old delete daily. No, start weekly. 3 month, what we do? Oh my. Only thing that's here is this on the 3 month, like, potential if we keep selling, but I doubt it. I think bottoming out is gonna happen this week, if not next week, because April bottom wick should be in for the month. Look what we did. We just like pick up to the, or it could not be, and then it'll just be down for April, the whole April to this low right here. Who knows? That's why if on the 3 month. If it wants to reprice back to that fair value gap, we clearing this low, which looks good, but we have already displaced lower. Got a nice displacement. So what does that mean? That's liquidation of lows equal lows. So this low might be safe. These two are the ones they were seeking. Okay, you see how equal, like, very, very much like the same, like to the tick, and I also liquidated this low. So I'm expecting repricing to like this volume imbalance on the daily. But if you also look at it on the monthly, what do we have? Is it would be adjust off? No, be adjust settlement. I forgot what it. Oh no, it's probably YM or gold. I don't know, but we got these volume imbalances. Like you see how I use this one right here to go lower. Weekly time frame. We can use the previous weeks. So this week we are at least repricing back to EQ of that week. We don't have to, but I will very much like to see that before this week. You know, Wednesday high of the week might be super high. You know, right there to this week. Yeah, if you see the daily, look how wider it widens up. But I'd rather have the more refined one, the higher time frame one, which is more stronger, way stronger. Yeah, today we opened. So since this day, higher. Boom, boom. Let's get that OTE right there. Like, yeah, should go lower. OTE, create the low with. Possibly tomorrow morning, nano session, you know, just a little higher. Just a little higher. You don't gotta do all that, but just a little higher. Just feeling this at least. Minimum. At minimum, feeling that. But if it doesn't do that, it don't do that. And we don't engage and we let it fuck off to wherever it wants to go. Like, come on now. If you know how to be disciplined and not chase everything on these charts, you will become consistently profitable because you're just doing the same thing over and over again and looking for the same thing. So consistency, no, to be consistent, you need to do things consistently. You feel me? So it's like, to build consistency, you gotta do things consistently. Simple as that. See, people overcomplicate it. But yeah, that's thank you. Let's get into yes. Delete that. I don't know. It took a minute. So same ish. Boom, 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 boom. And wherever we go lower, we got this NWOG right here. Look how the day opened and whoosh down, bro. He'll be too higher. Volume imbalance right here. No sellers or buyers, so we need to get up there to get some buyers in there, and then we might get some sellers down through there. Feel me? So you see, same thing for both. And if we get this OTE right here, yeah, OTE is way down here, so we could possibly look lower, but 50% is right possibly at that order block. Yeah, if you know, you know. Candle can be a candle, but it can also be something really nice. But yeah, It was YM on the weekly. You see the volume and balance. Very nice, very nice. You feel me? And we have a couple other things on YM that are very lovely. This Devil's Mark right here, screaming, money, money, money. Screaming, magnet, magnet, magnet. That's a crazy magnet. If you know, you know. Like, that's it. Alright, we done with this. I said I was gonna clear the charts. I didn't clear shit, man. Alright. I like this area. I can show you why. I think it was 4 hours. Just look at this. Candles. The bodies. Is it 4 hours? It don't look. Cause this one will go. Hold up. Yeah, those are bodies relatively equal. It's magnet as well, so we can possibly go all the way down, back up, all the way back up here. So, but low hanging fruit, OTE, and then we got the weekly volume imbalance. But anything could, for real, happen. Silver dumping, like you know how it's stronger than gold. So yeah, silver. I've been eating on her. Gold eating on her. All them. But you can see these moves. It's not the major moves I'm catching. It don't matter. I'm catching these little tiny moves. +3. That's bread. +5. That's bread. Catching my edge. Taking my edge out of the market. Bro, that's it. That's all we here to do. Feel me? We not here for nothing else. Alright, so let's do this little 3-month. 3-month already screaming what? Whoa, failure. Interesting, right? Failure to break and break on the 3-month. Screaming higher, but we need to go lower to go higher. So every single market that exists has to go lower to go higher, or higher to go lower. Yeah, monthly. So pay attention to this volume imbalance. Price can, stop right there. Do something there. Some magnet. Weekly fair value gap is here. But don't really see it. But I like the momentum building up. We came in, flushed out, cleared these lows. It's just looking ugly though. It's just the sideways. I don't really like that. Like it's more like ranging. Like has some couple moves up, fails, ranges back down. Is stuck within this up move. Like just this up move. Or you could even say this whole up move. Because this one didn't really even take out that low. And this is where they started. Still within this. Yeah. Silver. Like to see these before the boom. Breaks higher, maybe takes that range out. Because we still within this leg. If it's this leg, then we just cleared it. Did we not? Or did we not? Or did we? No. But yeah. That being said, gold. My baby. Weekly, previous weeks. I think that's what I used this for. But previous week's OTE is up there. Now we're tapping into this weekly. So low of the week, Wednesday. higher prices. So I'm liking, yeah, I'm liking. Me liking. So the week Wednesday. So if it wants to, I like the weekly volume balance. That's the only magnet I shall see. I see. There's another one below it, but they don't have to get repriced to or traded to. But that would be very nice, liquidating this low. Because what are we still in? This leg higher. This is our leg right here. So whatever happens here means nothing. We could range for a minute within this range, but still be bullish. Like, you understand the market only goes one direction, but it spends time trapping people. Okay, let's go monthly. Spends time trapping people for months upon months. You could catch nice moves on lower time frames, but if you are a monthly trader, are you getting involved here? Hell to the no. Me, I'm not. I'm waiting for this accumulation, and then a re-accumulation, and then possibly enter through this month. You get me? But this is possible. It could happen. Now, will it happen? I don't know. You don't know. Nobody knows. But I like it. I like it a lot. So as of now, higher to lower. Wednesday, take us higher to Friday. Also really close that EQ from last week. But yeah. I don't know what's gonna happen. You don't know what's gonna happen. And we just gonna have to be here and watch price. What the heck? I was wondering why that thing was just there for a minute. But yeah. Russell. Same thing as IQ and ES. We shall see some lower to go higher, and possibly more lower to go higher. You know what I mean? But yeah, you see last time I recorded last video, I'll tag it in this video. Yeah, we higher to take those highs. I thought it was gonna go way higher, at least to this fair value gap. That's why I drew it here. But hey, it doesn't have to happen. It don't need to happen. I just know the general direction. There's no certainty in this. I wasn't very certain if it was gonna go all the way up here, then come down here, or just this little bit, clear this high, and then come down here. Bro, come on. Doesn't matter. No. People just want to be right all the time, but we did the up to the down to the up, and then to the freaking meltdown. The dump of the century. We had big news. I think it was Friday. Yeah, Friday. NFP. It was wacky. But yeah, so now. This. Kappa. Oh, wow. We were expecting this last time, I believe. It was here. we were expecting this to higher. We had that, and then this is Friday the 21st. Oh no, this was the day. Yeah, this was the week. Yeah, I believe so, but I don't know. For a fact though, don't matter. Not right now. We were incorrect. There should have been the accumulation 1, 2, 3, 4. No. Yeah, that don't make no sense. Or accumulation 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I like that. And then dumped. Okay, I cleared all these lows. So right now. Oh my goodness, what could we be doing? Weekly, monthly. We could still be ranging in this, but it makes no sense to be. Cause like, brother, you tried to go and take everything up there. Why not finish your dab? Alright, so this sucker didn't want to reverse. We came over. Now, what could we even do? If you do the be adjust, how it shows it better. Kinda see how in here. You do accumulation 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, flush down. 1, 2. Oh, accumulation. 1, 2. Only 3. I can really force a 4, but I don't like doing that. Like, yeah, right now it looks like it wants to liquidate all these lows. Like, this is liquidity. Trendline. Oh, I'm a trendline trader, bro. Look. This is perfect. Buy. No. You are liquidity, my friend. If that's the case, we are sure possibly just like pop down here. Come think the trend has changed. Pop back. Bang. That's what I'll do if I was a banker or whatever. Because these markets never want to put nobody on the right side. So you got to think how they think. Or you just got to be a little bit of crazy. You need a little crazy bone in you to be a trader, a successful trader. Like, you cannot be sane. You gotta be insane, bro. But yeah. But I don't know. These are just higher time frame calls, and I'm usually on point. Just watch my last videos if you don't believe shit. But yeah, let's get into oil. We still selling this beach. Oil. We finally came and took these lows. Like, it was crazy lovely. I like it. So April might be nice Half-Life. It was falling price up there. Cause I thought, somebody lows, so we should go out here. Just like, somebody's lows, we should go out here. Like, you can still catch some nice moves off of sweeps of those. Absorption, M3s, and whatnot. But yeah, for me, she just looks like she wants to dump. But before she dumps, she might go a little higher. And then we see the dump of the century. Oil gonna fake some people out. Heavy hitter. But yeah, it just looks like it wants to reprice way down. 40 looks good. If we get down to 40, maybe possible buys from there. But right now, I'll sell it. I shall hit the sell button. Full port, man. Yeah. That shall be it for this week's review / forecast. I wish everybody good luck and good trading.